Crunchy, sweet, savory, and smooth. Today we're showing you how to make the perfect snack board that can be assembled all in under 20 minutes. You can find a full list of the ingredients we used on our blog post, but as a rule we like to use about 4 or 5 cheeses, a variety of fruits, sweet things, and something savory. I started by cutting out my shapes with these cute springtime cookie cutters out of my hard cheeses. And I also cut a shape out of the center of my brie wheel. I pushed about 1/3 of the way down and scooped it out with a spoon to make a little well where I'm going to pour my honey. After I had all the shapes cut out and everything was to my liking, I switched out my normal cutting board for my cute decorative snack board. When you're placing things on your board, you want to start with your largest item. So my largest item was my brie wheel. I went ahead and I placed it, I filled the well with honey, and then I placed everything else on my board in order from largest to smallest, spacing everything evenly. Toward the end, you'll want to use your smaller items like blueberries or grapes to just make sure that all the space is filled to your liking. Very last thing is add your embellishments. I added a few fresh buds of flowers on my board to keep with my springtime theme, and there you go. Join us on zappydots.com for more sweet adventures.